Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Wednesday, August 1st already, and you can see outside this morning some low clouds. We've had a few sprinkles here in Breckenridge, but only 1/100 of an inch, but some areas have had quite a bit more, and we'll show you that in just a moment. And this pattern looks like it'll continue to bring us some scattered showers and thunderstorms into tomorrow, and any of these showers or thunderstorms could certainly bring some very heavy rainfall once again. That's been the case, but it's been quite scattered where we've seen the more significant rains. And we expect warmer temperatures this week again compared to last week, with more humidity, more 80s, dew points up in the 60s. So it's quite humid out there. And right now this weekend looks like it could be quite warm, maybe hot. I think we could see temperatures up around 85 to 90 degrees for the weekend with lots of sunshine before more thunderstorms move into the area, maybe late Monday into Tuesday as it looks right now. As far as yesterday, we had a high of 79 here in Breckenridge, a low of 57, and just 1/100th of an inch of precipitation. That came since midnight. Yesterday's state high 86 degrees at Sault Ste. Marie and at Ironwood, and the low 47 degrees at Pellston. Our normal high is now down to 82 for high and 58 for a low. And if we look at the uniform temperatures out there this morning with all that cloud cover, very little difference in temperatures across the MAC and LAC areas, with temperatures in the low to mid 60s. The warm spot 65 at Henderson, and the cool spot 61 degrees over at Clarksville. As far as precipitation here, you can see in black, this is since midnight, some trace amounts, low amounts across mid-Michigan, 900s, almost 1/10 of an inch at Henderson, 1200s at Blissfield, 1400s at Jasper. Look at Jasper, those counting yesterday and today, 1.9 inches of rain, almost 3/4 of an inch at Blissfield, a little over a ½ inch at Brown City, 8/10 at Tupperville. So you can see pretty significant rains across portions of southeast lower Michigan. And again, I think the best bet will be over the eastern half or maybe eastern 2/3 of the state again today. I think we'll see that lake breeze being kind of the catalyst to kick off some of the afternoon thunderstorms, especially once you get into the mid-afternoon hours into the evening. And the satellite view, you can see that moisture streaming north all the way from the Gulf into the Great Lakes into the East Coast. Again, the heaviest rains have been off to our south and east, but again, we're seeing some pretty good thunderstorms that developed last night and brought some pretty heavy rainfalls to portions of southeastern and eastern lower Michigan. On the radar, you can see those areas of showers and maybe a thunder shower early this morning, just after midnight. Then they quickly begin to dissipate and rapidly move off to the northeast. And again, we'll see more scattered development again today as we see this very humid air in place. Not a lot of strong lifting mechanisms to give us more widespread precipitation. So we look at outflow boundaries and lake boundaries to be the main generator of these showers. On the weather map this morning, you can see low pressure system off to our east, another boundary off to our northwest. We're kind of in that squeeze play where ridging is trying to punch in between the two. But again, it's kind of a very complex situation with the clouds and sunshine and just enough lift to create the showers and thunderstorms with lots of moisture available. And again, tomorrow it doesn't become a whole lot clearer. This system becomes a little bit closer to us. I think we'll have probably our best chance of precipitation as we get into Thursday, and then high pressure will try to come in again as we move into the weekend. And I think that'll once that high pressure system moves off to the east, we'll get a southerly and southwesterly flow, and that's going to bring us a little bit drier air, and it'll also warm up our temperatures again well into the 80s. In fact, a couple locations over the weekend could touch 90 degrees here across the MAC and LAC areas. And as far as precipitation, a little bit wetter looking forecast this morning compared to yesterday, so that's good news. Much of this will come today and tomorrow, and then we'll have to wait till later next week before more precipitation comes in. Right now, the weekend looks fairly dry, and again, very warm and somewhat humid. Again, we could punch temperatures up close to 90 degrees over the weekend. As far as weather watch, nothing really going on for the Great Lakes. Some beach hazard statements, some fog off to the south, and again, where the bulk of the rainfall is across the U.S., we've got flood watches across portions of the Appalachians into the mid-Atlantic states. As far as forecast goes today, again, some scattered showers and thunderstorms, some sunshine, plenty of fair weather clouds mixed in. Again, temperatures in the 80s, and then we'll warm up into the upper 80s, close to 90 degrees for Saturday and Sunday with lots of sunshine. These thunderstorms on Sunday probably don't come in until maybe scattered 20% chance during the afternoon. And again, our best chance of any precipitation really is going to be the next couple of days, but it'll again be quite scattered in nature, so don't cancel any outdoor plans. Just be aware that showers or thunderstorms would be possible at just about any time during the afternoon and evening hours. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.